saka sa BIR Grande.
What can we expect next week for prosecution after this decision?
Well, next week, we're still presenting the last witness. Tomorrow, we're presenting the last witness for grave threats and sedition. So, si Matibay. Next week, we will start with confidential funds. At saka lahat ng bank rec, lahat ng clerical and administrative, yung pre-markings namin sa pre-trial, to transfer to the documents for presentation.
Ma'am, saan po yung dalawang bank, land bank relevant?
So the land bank officials will attest to the land bank checks. Issuance ng land bank checks, di ba? Confidential funds kasi. And these funds are from the land bank.
Show Boulevard, yung DepEd branch, yun
Yes.
po specifically.
Yes, yung mga relevant land bank checks will be presented. So, documentary rin, magdadali rin. That will take 2 witnesses.
What will the checks establish now?
Well, if there was actual withdrawal of the amounts. Kasi remember, we're doing confidential funds, no? So, ang issue is, withdraw pa yung funds na yan at saan ginamit ang funds na yan. Is the extent of the
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pahinga na tayo.
Thank you po.